Welcome to your online classes. Good morning, students. Today we are going to study lesson number 1 from your English literature book, Treasures of English, under title Tenali Meets Babar. Dear students, before starting this lesson, let us take a brief review. What does the writer wants to say? Tenali Rama was a famous jester and a poet in the court of Krishna Dev Rai, the king of Vijayanagar Empire. Who was Tenali Rama? Tenali Rama was a famous, well-known entertainer. Jester means entertainer, and he was the poet in the court of King Krishna Dev Rai. And who was King Krishna Dev Rai? He was the king of Vijayanagar Empire. The tales related to Tenali Rama's wit and wisdom had reached far and wide. Tales mean stories. The stories of Tenali intelligence. Wit and wisdom means intelligence. Reached far and wide places. It means his stories reached to the very far places. Soon they reached the Mughal court in Delhi where Babur ruled. Soon these stories were heard by Babur. Who was Babur? He was the king of Mughal court in Delhi. When Babur heard about these stories, he wished to meet him. So Babur sent his messenger. Let us read about this story. Our emperor wants to meet Tenali Rama. Your Highness, please send him with me to Delhi. Dear students, you can here observe that the man who is in green dress, he is messenger and he is king. Well, now the messenger is saying to the king that our emperor means Babur wants to meet Tenali Rama. Your Highness, the word Your Highness means we are using this word to address a king. Now the messenger is saying to the king that please send Tenali with me to Delhi. Now the king is replying, don't worry, Tenali Rama will go with you. Tenali, I order you to go with this messenger to the Mughal court and prove your mettle. The word mettle means ability. Now King Krishna Dev Rai is ordering the Tenali Rama to go with the messenger and he asked the Tenali Rama to prove his ability. Remember, the honor of our kingdom is in your hands if you impress the emperor and get a reward from him. King Krishnadev Rai is saying to the Tenali that you have to impress the emperor. You have to prove your ability and you have to impress the emperor. And if you are getting success in impressing the emperor, you will definitely get a prize from him. Reward means prize. I promise to give you 10,000 gold coins. Now, King Krishnadev Rai is also saying to Tenali that if you are successful in impressing the king, I will also definitely give you coins. How many gold coins? 10,000 gold coins. I will not let you down, Your Highness. Now, Tenali replied, I will not let you down. The word let you down means disappoint. Tenali said, Your Highness, I will not disappoint you. When Babur heard of Tenali's arrival, he summoned his courtiers. The word summon means order or warning to his courtiers. Who are courtiers? Courtiers mean people who are a part of the king's court. When Babur came to know that Tenali is arriving, he asked or he ordered his courtiers. What is the order? You all know he is very witty. Now Babur is saying to all his courtiers that Tenali is very witty. Witty means funny. However, if I found anyone laughing at his joke, that person will be punished. Here the king warned his all courtiers that no one will laugh at the jokes of Tenali. If I find anyone laughing at his joke, that person will be punished by me. At the royal court, Tenali tried many antics. Antics means tricks or pranks, but no one smiled. 15 days passed by, but all his efforts to make people laugh failed. At the royal court of Babur, Tenali tried his many tricks to make the courtiers laugh, and he tried for 15 days to make the people laugh. But all his efforts to make the people laugh failed. Tenali understood that Mughal courtiers were deliberately keeping a somber face. Deliberately means intentionally. Janbujkar. Somber means dull faces. Somber means dull. Now Tenali understood that all the courtiers were intentionally not laughing and keeping a sad face. Tenali knew that defeat would mean losing prestige and honor for Vijayanagar Empire as well as his own position there. So he thought for a fresh plan. What does it mean? Now Tenali understood that all the courtiers were intentionally not laughing and keeping a sad face. Tenali knew that defeat means losing respect and honor of Vijayanagar Empire as well as his own position. So he thought for a fresh plan. Now let us check it out what was the plan of Tenali. One day Tenali disguised himself as an old laborer. Disguised means took a get-up of someone else. Here you can see that Tenali is in get-up of an old laborer. He is wearing turban, false beard. Beard means dadi. He began digging at a place he knew Babur visited every day. Now, one day Tenali took a get-up of an old laborer and started digging the earth to plant a mango sapling. Mango sapling, a very young mango plant. Where he started digging? It was the place where Babur usually visited along with his minister or his courtier. Babur was surprised to see an old man with a white beard planting a mango sapling. Babur was surprised to see that an old man planting a mango sapling in this age. Why? Because at this age, when the plant would grow and bear some fruit, maybe it is possible na that the old man may not alive to enjoy the fruit. What are you doing? Babur asked. Tenali, who is in a disguise of old laborer, replied, Your Highness, I am planting a mango sapling. Here I am planting a mango sapling. But you appear quite old, even if this sapling take roots, grow and bear fruits. What will you gain? Surely you won't be alive. The old man who was planting a mango tree, he was asked by Babur. Babur said, The old man, you are looking so old, and when the sapling will grow, you may be not alive to enjoy the fruit of this tree. Tenali said, who was in a disguise of old man, I am not planting it for my own sake, Your Highness, but for others. I enjoyed the fruit of trees planted by my father. Now this tree will bear fruit for those who will live after me. That will be my reward. Now the old man replied that I am not planting this tree for myself. I am planting this tree for my next generation. He said, Today I have enjoyed the fruits of the trees that were grown by my forefathers or my father. So here I am planting a tree for my next generation. Here, dear students, you observe that this man who is in attire, who is in a get-up of old man, giving answer wisely to the king. I like your idea. You are a kind man who cares for others. Take these coins and plant more trees. Dear students, now you observe that Babur was highly impressed that the old man cares about others. So he rewarded bag of gold coins to the old man and asked him to plant more trees. Accepting the gold coins, the old man bowed gratefully. The old man accepted the coins and bent down to show his gratitude towards the king. May God grant the emperor a long life. Now the old man prayed to the god to grant or to give a long life to the emperor. You see, normally people get fruit many years after planting a tree, but I got it immediately. It shows that consideration for others definitely reaps a rich harvest. Here, the old man was given or rewarded a bag of gold coin. It means here old man is saying that if I plant a tree, I will get fruits after a long period of time. But right now I am planting a tree, but I got a reward, I got a fruit immediately. And what does it mean? It means that if you are thinking about others, or if you are paying attention, or if you are working hard for others, it will give reward to you definitely. Now, the emperor asked his minister to give the old man a pouch containing gold coins. Here, dear students, you can observe that Babur was so impressed with the old man, and he asked his minister to give the another bag or pouch containing gold coins. You have really made this old man happy. While this tree, when mature means grows older, will bear fruit once a year. You have rewarded me twice already. Now the old man is saying that he, when the trees which I am growing will grow, it will give fruits to the people only once in a year. But for planting this tree, you have already given 2 bags of coins to me. Well said. Again, you deserve a reward. Here, Babur was so impressed with the old man that he gave another bag of gold coin to the old man. Dear students, here you can see that now the old man is having 3 bags of gold coin, and Tenali received a third bag of coins. Your Highness, this old man appears to be quite wise. Let us move ahead before his pithy utterances forces you to empty your treasury right here. Well, students, you must have observed that the old man has impressed Babur by his wise answers, and he got 3 bags of gold coins. You can see there, Babur has given 3 bags of gold coins to the old man. So, the word pithy utterances. Pithy means short but meaningful. Utterances mean statement. Now the minister of Babur was worried, and he asked the king to move ahead, because before the old man impresses the king more, it is better to leave this place, because if you stay here, you will give him another bag of coin. Your Highness, just cast a glance. Cast a glance means look at me once again. I am your humble servant Tenali Rama. Well, students, here you can see that Tenali Rama has removed his turban and false beard and asked the king to look at him. King, your Highness, just look at me. I am your servant Tenali Rama. Then Babur replied, I am not at all sorry for having rewarded you, Tenali Rama. Now the king replied that I am not feeling sorry, because you deserve these bags of gold coin for your intelligent answer. Babur took Tenali to his palace and showered him with gifts. Babur took Tenali to his palace and gave him so many gifts. When Krishnadev Rai heard about Tenali's triumph, he too rewarded him. What is the meaning of triumph? Triumph means victory. When Krishnadev Rai come to know about Tenali's victory, he also gave him gold and the property. And Tenali Rama became even dearer to the king. Dear students, today we have studied lesson number 1, Tenali's meet Babur. I hope the story is clear to all of you. We will meet in our next class. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Thank you.